After almost a week, the escalation between Gaza and Israel continues. There are fightings every day, there are rockets, airstrikes, and here behind me you can see the result of one rocket that hit here the road in central Israeli city of Ramat Gan. Until now, there are about 10 Israelis that lost their lives and about 140 Palestinians in Gaza Strip that as well lost their lives after almost a week of escalation between Israel and Gaza Strip. During the escalations, Israel conducted airstrikes over Gaza, targeting Hamas facilities, and Hamas fired at least 2,000 rockets at Israeli cities from center Tel Aviv to southern Tel Aviv, from center of Israel to south of Israel.
There was a rocket that hit here in the street, here on the road, and there was an explosion, and all the things that you can see here, everything is ruined. I didn't been here. I was at my parents' house. I don't know how. I just decided to go to my parents' house this weekend. I'm supposed to be here. And luckily, nothing happened. It's only my apartment is a mess. I don't have an apartment to go back to. And now I'm trying to take my stuff, thinking what I'm supposed to do now. I don't feel safe anymore. This is my house. I'm supposed to feel protected, and now I'm not. And we didn't thought that the rockets will be here in Ramat Gan, in Tel Aviv. And now I just hopefully want this whole thing will over. That's all.